This AI app builder used 80% fewer tokens than Next.js with Claude Code. A simple Next.js app generated 137,000 lines of code. We were able to cut that down to only 300 custom lines, a 99.8% improvement. 137,000 lines of code take a very long time to review, are nearly impossible to debug, and make adding new features a nightmare, while only 300 lines of code take just minutes to learn and customize. PackageJS is the first AI app builder that can actually save you millions in tokens. Building a simple to-do app with PackageJS and Claude Code used only 40,000 tokens and worked on the first try, compared to the same app generated in Next.js, which used over 200,000 and threw multiple errors that needed to be debugged. Put simply, PackageJS uses a much smaller context window, saves you review time, storage space, and precious tokens. Download the free PackageJS Intro Kit to get started.